Hello everyone, and welcome back. My name is Anna. Let me start with a question. Do you ever feel uncomfortable or unsure when you go to a bank and need to explain things about your money in English?
Hi everyone, I'm Leo, and that situation is very common. Many people worry because money is important and they don't want to misunderstand or say the wrong thing.
That's exactly why this episode is so helpful. Today, we show you a real bank conversation using clear, natural English so you can communicate more confidently and smoothly.
You're watching the English Talk channel. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe too. It really helps the channel grow.
Let's begin. From now on, I'm the bank representative and Leo is the customer, okay? Good morning. Welcome to the bank. How can I help you today?
Good morning. Thank you. I need some help with a few banking services.
Of course, I'm happy to help. What would you like to do today?
First, I'd like to open a new bank account. After that, I need to deposit a check and withdraw some cash.
That's no problem at all. We can take care of everything today. Is this your first time banking with us?
Yes, it is. I recently moved to this area, so I need a new account.
Welcome then. Let's start with the account. What type of account are you interested in opening?
I think a checking account makes the most sense for me right now.
That's a good choice. A checking account works well for daily expenses, payments, and regular income. What do you plan to use the account for?
I want to use it to receive my salary, pay rent and utilities, and handle everyday spending, like groceries and transportation.
That sounds very practical. To open the account, I'll need to ask you some questions and collect some information. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfectly fine.
May I see your government-issued ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me confirm a few details. Can you please tell me your full legal name?
My full name is Leonardo Martins, but I usually go by Leo.
Thank you, Leo. And what is your current home address?
I live at 245 Green Street, apartment 3, here in the city.
Great. And what phone number should we use to contact you if needed?
You can reach me at 555-1234.
Perfect. Now I'd like to explain how this account works so you know exactly what to expect. This checking account has no monthly fee as long as you keep a minimum balance.
Okay, what is the minimum balance?
You need to keep at least $100 in the account at all times.
That seems reasonable. And what happens if my balance goes below that amount?
If the balance stays below $100 for the entire month, there is a small maintenance fee.
I see. I think I can manage that without a problem.
Good. You will also receive a debit card that you can use for purchases and ATM withdrawals.
That's important for me. How long does it take to receive the card?
We send it by mail, and it usually arrives within 7 business days.
That works for me.
You can also access your account online and through our mobile app.
That's great. I like to check my balance in transactions often.
The app allows you to do that as well as transfer money, pay bills, and deposit checks electronically.
That sounds very convenient.
Now, I'm going to prepare the documents for the account. Please take your time to read everything carefully.
Thank you. I always prefer to understand what I'm signing.
That's a very good habit. Let me know if you have any questions while you read.
Everything looks clear so far. The information is easy to understand.
I'm glad to hear that. Please sign at the bottom of each page.
All right, I've signed everything.
Excellent. Your checking account is now officially open.
That's great news. Thank you for guiding me through the process.
You're very welcome. Now let's move on to the check deposit. May I see the check you'd like to deposit?
Yes, here it is. It's from my employer.
Thank you. Would you like to deposit the full amount into your new checking account?
Yes, I'd like to deposit the entire amount.
All right. I'll process that now. Part of the funds will be available today, and the remaining amount will clear within 1 or 2 business days.
That's fine. I don't need all of it immediately.
Would you like a printed receipt for this transaction?
Yes, please. I like to keep records of my deposits.
Of course. I'll include that for you. Now, you also mentioned that you'd like to withdraw some cash today.
Yes, that's correct.
How much would you like to withdraw?
I'd like to withdraw $200.
Just to confirm, you're requesting $200 in cash from your checking account.
Yes, that's right.
Here you are. Please take a moment to check the amount.
Everything looks correct. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your receipt for the withdrawal as well.
Thank you. I appreciate how clear and organized everything is.
I'm happy to hear that. Do you have any other questions about your account or our services?
Yes, I do have a few more questions, if that's okay.
Of course. Please go ahead.
If I travel in the future, can I still use my debit card in other states or countries?
Yes, you can use your debit card in other states without any issues. For international travel, we recommend notifying us in advance.
That's good to know. Are there any extra fees for international use?
There may be a small international transaction fee, depending on the country and the ATM.
I understand. And what about customer support? If I have a problem, how can I contact the bank?
You can contact us by phone, through the mobile app, or by visiting any branch.
That makes me feel more comfortable.
We want our customers to feel supported at all times.
I really appreciate how clearly you explain everything. It makes banking much less stressful.
That's exactly our goal. Banking should feel simple and transparent.
I agree. This experience was much better than I expected.
All right, Leo, everything is complete. Your account is set up, your transactions are done, and you're all set for today. Thank you for banking with us.
Thank you so much, Anna. I really appreciate your help today.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again.
Wow, Leo, we really covered a lot of ground today.
We did. We went through the whole banking experience from start to finish.
So, Leo, what's your practical tip for our listeners?
Here's my advice. First, if you already have a bank account, look at your real bank documents, like statements or emails. Using real materials helps the language feel more familiar.
That's a great idea because it connects directly to real life. And remember, bank employees are usually patient. If you don't understand, it's okay to say, "Could you explain that again?"
Absolutely. Asking for clarification is part of learning.
Well, everyone, that brings us to the end of today's episode. We hope this helps you feel more confident when you go to the bank. Please leave a comment and share your experience. And don't forget to subscribe to the English Talk channel. Until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.